Why are the animals of Chordata subphylum called sea squat or tunicates? Tunicates are part of the subphylum Chordata, closely related to the phylum Chordata. They are seen in every seashore in shallow water. All the members are oceanic and live freely or forming colony. That's why tunicates, commonly called sea squirts, are a group of marine animals that spend most of their lives attached to docks, rocks, or the undersides of boats. Phylum Chordata has three subphylum: Chordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. So, Chordata actually are tunicates or sea squirts. Tunicates have beautiful coloration. There are three different classes of tunicates: the Aestheticea, Thaliacea, and Larvacea. What is species? In biology, a species is the basic unit of classification and a taxonomic rank of an organism, as well as a unit of biodiversity. A species is often defined as a group of individuals that actually or potentially interbreed in nature. Remember, a species is a group of organisms that can breed and produce viable and fertile offspring. What is subspecies? Populations of species that occur in different areas and differ slightly from each other. They have typological, local, or regional differences. A subspecies is a particular group within a species that has branched off, usually due to geographic isolation. What do you mean by radial symmetry? Radial symmetry or balance is a type of balance in which the parts of an object or picture are regularly arranged and radiate from a central point. It appears both in natural and in human-made objects. Examples of radial symmetry in nature. What is lamprey? Lampreys are an ancient extant lineage of jawless fish of the order Petromyzontiformes, placed in the superclass Cyclostomata. The adult lamprey may be characterized by a toothed, funnel-like sucking mouth. What do you mean by dipisorcal fish? Dipisorcal means the vertebra extend to the tip of the tail and the tail is symmetrical and expanded. Most Paleozoic fishes had a dipisorcal, heterocercal tail. Most modern fishes have a homocercal tail. So, dipisorcal fish means fish having vertebral column extend straight into the base of the tail. Dipisorcal means the vertebra extend to the tip of the tail and the tail is symmetrical and expanded. Example, lamprey. So this is the picture of different types of fishes or tail: protocercal, heterocercal, homocercal, and dipisorcal. What is diaphragm? The diaphragm, located below the lungs, is the major muscle of respiration. It is a large dome-shaped muscle that contracts rhythmically and continually, and most of the time involuntarily. Upon inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and flattens, and the chest cavity enlarges. During breathing in, our diaphragm contracts, and breathing out, our diaphragm relaxes.